Welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. Today I am going to discuss CSAT paper of 2020. Let's see first questions. I can say that this is very easy questions. You have to know the basics of the direction. And second thing is this is the reasoning based questions and easy questions. A man walked down the back side of his house. In this particular question, only thing you have to or you have a basic knowledge of direction, like we have east, west, north, south. Second thing you should know, like this is northeast, this is northwest, and southeast, southwest. Second thing is you should know about the angle. This is 90-degree angle and this is 45-degree angle. Okay, a man walked down the back side of his house straight 25 meters, then turns to right and walk 50 meters again. Then he turns toward left, again walk 25 meters. If his house faces to east, means house is facing to east, okay, it simple means that man came out from back side, man came out from this side and he walked 25 meter. After walking 25 meter, he turned to his right. Okay, whenever man is facing west, when man is facing west, this will be right and this will be left. That is only you have to remember. Okay, he turned to right and walk again 50 meter again. After walking 50 meter, he turned toward left. Man is moving toward north. Okay, this side will be right and this side will be left. Only in direction question you should know basics about these directions, and you should know whenever a person is moving to north, what is left, what is right. Whenever a person is moving to west, what is left, what is right. Now person is going to north. Okay, you yourself when is going to north, you know that this is the right and this is the left. Only these things you should know. Now he turned toward left, then person is moving this side, this is right and this is left, and again walk 25 meter. If house faces to east, what is his direction from starting point? This is the starting point. As I discussed, this is the direction. Okay, now this is north, this is south, it will be this is west, this will be northwest. Hope you are able to understand. Then answers will be northwest. Okay, again I can see that this is very easy questions, and the real exam we should not miss such type of questions, and only you have to attempt 28 correct questions. Let's see one more question. Again I can say that this is not much difficult question. This is not much difficult question if you have a basic understanding of number system, basic understanding of numbers, then these questions become very easy. Only thing is what you have to know, divisibility. You should know divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5 till maybe I can say that 13 or 14. These things you should know. Here all numbers are divisible by 2. So the number which can be divisible by 2, they can be 2, 4, 6. I can say that 8, 10, 12, 18. All even numbers are divisible by 2. All numbers are divisible by 3. The number which will come in table of 3 like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 21 like that. Now this is the statement. We have to find the conclusion also. So here all numbers are divisible by 6. Okay, correct. Here all numbers are divisible by 2. All numbers are divisible by 3. Conclusion, all numbers. Okay, here 2 is statement number 1 is giving, statement number 2 is giving all numbers are divisible by 6. Okay, it is not possible. When a number is divisible by 2 and number is divisible by 4, okay, we have to find, like here we have a number which is divisible by 2, we have a number which is divisible by 3, and some of the number like 6, like 12, or we can say that 18, they are also coming. within 2 and 3. So I can say that all the numbers are also divisible by 6. Again, all numbers are divisible by 4. No, I can say that in here some of the numbers are divisible by 4, but some of the number in this part is not divisible by 4. So we can eliminate 2 and the answers will be 1. Only one conclusion can be followed. So hope you are able to understand. We can see that the number which are divisible by 2, okay, and the number which are divisible by 3, definitely those numbers must be divisible by 6. But the number which are divisible by 2, okay, or not on 3, they cannot be divisible by 4. Hope you are able to understand this particular question also. Let's see one more question. Okay, I have discussed the topic of syllogism. In that topic, I have clearly told only thing you have to know basics about 4 statement. 4 statement in the sense all A, R, B, okay, sum A, R, B, then no A, R, B, and finally you have to know sum A, R, not B, sum A, R, not B. You should know basics about these statements. These are the 4 statements. In question they will take 2 statements, 3 statements, and they will find the conclusion. Just remember, whenever we are talking about all ARB, all ARB, only conclusion which we can draw on, that is sum B R A, sum B R A, or we can say that sum A R B is also possible. Okay, when sum A R B, only one conclusion, sum B R A is only possible conclusion. Whenever no A R B, only one conclusion we can draw on, that is no B R A, no B R A, and second and third. In fourth part, we cannot draw any conclusion. Just remember, as I told earlier, 4 statement, you should know the conclusion of the conclusion can be drawn among these 4 statements. Here, all cat are dog, all cat are black. Okay, these are 2 statements. Consider, for example, like cat has subset of 1, 2, 3, dog has subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we can see that all cat are dog, and black has 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So again all cat are black also. Here what conclusion we can draw on? All dog are black. So in the dogs we have some number which may not available in the B. So we can say that all dogs are not black. Some dogs are not black. Some dogs are not, it look like correct. But I can write this also 7, 8, 9. In this way also, all cat are dog, all black are, all cat are dog, all cat are black, and we can see that, okay, all dog are black also. So in that way, I can say that second statement is second conclusion is not applicable. Then answers will be D. So hope you are able to understand. As I told, this topic, syllogism is also very important, and every year at least you will get one question on syllogism also. And try to do the practice, and in practice only thing is you should know about these 4 statements. Let's see one more question. This is the questions, and such question we should not miss in the real exam. They are very easy. They are not much difficult. Such questions do not require any knowledge of math, any knowledge of reasoning. If you have basic understanding of odd number, the odd number are followed by odd number. So here we have odd number followed by odd number. Here we have odd number. We have odd number followed by odd number. Again we have odd number followed by odd number. Again we have odd number but it is not followed by odd number. We have odd number but not followed by odd number. We have odd number but not followed by odd number. So here they are asking how many odd numbers are there which are followed by one odd number. Okay, Again we have second odd number, third odd number means 7 is followed by 3, 3 is followed by 9, and again we have one odd number, 5 is followed by 7, again we have 3, one more odd number is followed by 1, and again we have 1 as an odd number followed by 5. So total 6 odd number which are followed by again odd numbers. So hope you are able to understand this question also, and I can suggest such questions we should not miss in the real exam. Many times I told you, you will get at least 55 questions of maths and reasoning. Your task is not to solve all the question. Your task is to find such easy questions, and don't stuck difficult question in the real exam. The method, like now you know how to solve such questions. Don't create method in the real exam. If you do not know what is forward, what is precedence, then you are not able to solve such question. The point here is the method which you know, those method you have to apply and get an answer. Don't create new method in the real exam. Whenever you read any questions, if you solve that questions earlier, you know how to approach that question. Only those questions you have to approach in the real exam. Let's see one more questions. Okay, so I clearly discuss ranking one chapter. Again I can say that this is very important topic also, ranking. Alternate year or every year you will get one question, and that is not much difficult topic also. Only thing is you should know, okay, this is right, this is left. Okay, that things only you should know. A is 16th from left. Okay, A is 16th from left. Okay, it means 15 students are left of A. Okay, and 16th will be A. Then, okay, and in a row of boys, B is 18th from the right. Okay, from the right, B is 18th. So here we have somewhere V. I can see that V, and V is from 18th from the right. Okay, means 17 students are right of V. G is 11th A, 11th from A toward the right. Okay, so A's right is this side and A's left is this side. So we have one more person V, we have one more person G, which is 11th from the left of A. So G is here, which is 11th, means 16 plus 11, it become I can say that 27. So G is 27 from the left. Okay, and third from B toward right end. Okay, so B's right is this side, B's right is this side. So B side, third from, third in the sense first, second and third. Okay, so we can say that G is 11th from A toward the right and third from B's toward the right end. Okay, so here 18 minus 3, 18 minus 3. So we can say that here we have around 15. So G is 15 from the right, G is 27 from the left. Able to understand? G is 15 from the right, 27 from the left. So how many boys are there? 27 plus 15 minus 1. So these concepts already I have discussed. Okay, here like this side. Okay, so total will be, I can say that 42 minus 1, it will be 41. So hope you are able to understand. Again I will suggest, don't see directly the solution. First you yourself have to solve the question and then you have to see the solution. Very simple question, like 3 persons are there. A is 16 from left, B is like V is 18 from right, one more person 11th from left of A. So one more person G is 27 from the left, and I can say that it is 15 from the right end. So how many peoples are there? So 27 plus 15 minus 1. So hope you are able to understand this particular questions also. I can say that this is little moderate questions, not very easy also. In the real exam you have to put all these things properly. You know that, okay, G is right of V. So you have to put like that only, not like that. So hope you are able to understand. Okay, let's see one more questions. So here questions are not very difficult. Only thing is you have a basic understanding of the reasoning. Okay, again I can see that there are three statement number one, statement number two, statement number three, and here we have the solutions. So we can say that C is younger than D. Okay, first statement says that C is younger than D, but C is younger than D but older than A, and C is younger than B but older than A and B. Okay, this is the statement number one. I can say that C is younger than D but older than A and B. Okay, who among A, B, C, D is youngest? Okay, I can say that four persons are there. Among the four persons, D is eldest, but we do not know who is youngest because we do not know the age of A and B, and we do not know the comparison between A and B. So I can say that statement number one alone is not sufficient to give the answers. Now I have to combine statement number one with statement number two. D is oldest. By reading statement number one only we are getting D is oldest. So statement number one combined with statement number two is not going to give the answers. So we have to eliminate this also. Now we have to just see statement number one along with statement number three. A is older than B. So now we know A is older than B, C is older than A and B, and D is oldest. So who is youngest among four members? We can say that B is youngest among four members. So hope you are able to understand. So we can say that answers will be D. Let's see one more questions. In these questions, when I discussed number system, that time I gave one concept. One concept like that whenever we are writing digit from 1 to 100. When we are writing digit, we write digit from 1 to 100. Every digit appears 20 times. Okay, simple. When we write the number from 1 to 100, definitely 4 will come 20 times. But there is one number like 4, we have 14, and then we have 24, then we have 34, then we have 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Like that we are writing a number. Means 4 will, when we are writing a number from 1 to 100, 4 will appear 20 times. But one thing also you have to remember, 4 will come twice in one number, that is 44. So I can say that there are 19 numbers. There are 19 numbers in which 4 is available. 19 number in which 4 will appear, but in one number 4 will come twice, that is 44. Now we have to find the number which are not divisible by 4. The total number in which 4 will appear when we are going to write from 1 to 100, there are 19 numbers. Among them, how many numbers are divisible by 4? We can see that 4, 24, 40, 44, 64, any other number which is divisible by 4 also 4, 24, then 34 is not divisible, 44, 48 is also divisible by 4, or any other number, 54 is not divisible by, 64 is divisible by, 74 is not divisible by 4, 74, then 84. Then 84 is also divisible by. So how many numbers are divisible by 4? There are 7 numbers. So 19 minus 7, it will be 12. So 12 numbers are there which have 4 but not divisible by 4. So hope you are able to understand this particular questions also. So here I have discussed some of the question of 2020, and I already covered 2021 series where I have discussed all reasoning and the mathematical question. So my observation is some of the questions are very difficult, you should not touch. And as I discussed, 50 to 55 questions will come from the mathematics and the reasoning. And among 50 to 55 questions, I can say that 35 to 40 questions are very some easy and some moderate, and they are doable. If you have decent practice of the CSAT, you can easily solve 35 to 40 questions. Let's see today's questions also. This question is not much difficult, no calculation, no mathematical like I can say that knowledge is needed. Only thing you have to know, okay, how many numbers are there where 4 will appear. You have to know there is a one number where 4 will appear twice also. Just eliminate that number. There are 19 number, and this thing, so we can just calculate manually also. We just subtract, we will going to get an answer. Let's see, this question is very easy. This is a little moderate, but if you have basic understanding of the direction of the ranking, you are going to solve it. This is again very easy questions. This again, you just have a knowledge of the Soloism. If you have a knowledge of these 4 statement, then this question become again very easy. And this is again, I can say, very easy questions. And this again is very easy question. So hope you are able to understand. 2 days I have discussed 6-7 questions, and all are very easy. And again, thank you for watching the video. In the coming video, I will try to cover remaining questions of 2020 also.